Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the YouTube app and tap Home at the bottom. The Home tab shows recommended videos, subscriptions, and trending content tailored to you. Recommendations use your watch history, liked videos, and subscriptions to choose content. Scroll vertically to browse suggested videos one at a time. Tap any video to watch it in full screen and check the channel name. Use the search icon to find channels, videos, or specific topics quickly. Press the back arrow to return to Home and continue browsing suggestions. Tap your profile picture, then go to Settings and History to manage recommendations. Choose Watch History to view the videos that influence your home feed. Clear Watch History completely to remove all previous recommendation signals immediately. Pause History if you want temporary independent recommendations while you browse. Use the three dots next to any video to select Not Interested or Don't Recommend channel. Like or dislike videos to train YouTube on your preferences quickly and effectively. Subscribe to channels to add their uploads in your home feed and notifications. Manage subscriptions from the Subscriptions tab to prioritize channels you prefer to see. Create and save playlists to surface preferred content on Home and watch later lists. Use the three dots to select Not Interested and refine the algorithm by removing similar videos. Tap the bell icon on a channel to receive immediate notifications for new uploads. Regularly review your likes and playlists to keep the home feed relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.